Good evening, everyone. This is Vinod, and it's been a long time since my last video, and today is the 100th day that I didn't post a video in our YouTube channel Excel Snippet, and I'm starting a new video for us, a new video series for us, 21-22, and it's a little advanced to start with, but I would like to start this video series, and I named this video series as Excel Snippet Quick Video Series, and it's going to be under 5 minutes videos, and I'm going to talk about a lot of formulas here. I'm going to touch 365 formulas, 2 videos a day from now on. Basically, we'll see how to use them, and we'll see how to use them in an advanced manner too. To kickstart in a lighter mode, I'm starting with a new logic called how to create a calendar function automatically in Power Pivot screen. So let's see how to do that. And if you want to create a calendar table, normally it will take a little more time than normal, and after 2016 version, and Power Pivot window allows us to create the calendar table much faster than what we even expect. But again, we will not have all our calendar table dimensions that we are looking for. Certain component we might have to add them later on, but most of the highly or routinely used calendar functions are added automatically by the system itself. Let's see how to do that. So I'm starting our Excel quick view series, the first video that I'm going to post today, and this is the 100th day that I didn't do a video. My last video I did it on September, and that too on 10th of September, and I'm using a video right now on 19th of December 2020. So let's see how to do that. I'm going to add a new sheet for us, and let me add a calendar table. Whenever we add a calendar table, we start with a header, and I would like to add one full year of data here. So I'm going to use the first date of this financial year, and I'm going to use a fill series option. If you don't know how to use a fill series option, you can find the description of this video and see where is the fill series option is available in my previous videos, and you can learn them better. So I'm using a fill series option here, and I would like to add the last day of the year. And now I have the whole year coming up for me, and now I'm going to convert or add this to my Power Pivot window. If you are using 2016 version and above, even if you are a home user, your Power Pivot will be automatically activated right now. If you're a 365 Office user, then you will be having Power Pivot for sure. So if you don't have this tab, don't worry about it. You can see my Power Pivot video series. There I have given you how to activate this to a list, and now I'm going to go and add this data to my data model. When I do this, the system will ask you a question, and it'll automatically give you an answer too for that it wants this entire table to be a table creation component, so that it can add that to a data model. So it automatically picks the whole data for us, and when I give an OK, it adds the data to my data model. Now this will be added as table 1 for me in my list, because I didn't rename my table here. And if you see the dates that is added to my list, my dates will be added in a date and time format, so which will give you the date and as well as time for me. And if you click this point, you can see that my data type is date. That's perfect. And when I come down to my format, you can see that it is giving you the date and as well as the time. I need only the dates here, so I'm going to just click the dates here so that I can convert the entire date format into a normal date functionality. If you want to create a calendar table automatically, you can do that with ease. So how do I do that? To do this, I am in my Power Pivot window. On the Power Pivot window, I'll go to Design tab, and on the right hand side you can see a data table comes in place, and here I have a line called New tab. When I click this New tab, it automatically adds a new table 1 for me. And not only that, it's gonna automatically populate the other calendar functions that I routinely use in my list. And you can see that it is also adding the name of the table as calendar, and you can see the following tables are done. And again, my date will be in the format of with the time in it, and I'm going to change them to normality if you wanted to. And now you can see that my year, month name, month and year, and the weekday's name and the day of the week all comes into play. In my next video, I'll show you how to create them manually, and here you can see that it is automatically created that list for us. So you can see that year is equal to date, and it gives you all the DAX functionalities that we are looking forward to create this templates. So this is how the Power Pivot allows us to create a calendar day function or a calendar table without moving our little finger too much. We are not writing any formulas here. We just added a date with a full series formula, and then I've added the data to the Power Pivot window. Once I've added the data to the Power Pivot window, I just gone to the design tab and I've made the data ready for us to use a calendar table here. Hope you learned something new today, and we are getting lots and lots of video coming up for us. And with this, I'll sign out, and this is Vinod signing out from Excel Snippet. Our new quick view series, video number 1, is over for now. We'll be seeing more and more video in our near future. So in our next table, we will see how to create a calendar table manually. Thank you so much for watching. If you didn't subscribe my channel, do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to know more about what are the new videos that I've added, what are the old videos that I do have, so that you can access my 46 videos that I've added earlier. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.